What's up everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can make the video in a text shape effect in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's really pretty easy. First you need in your timeline your video, and when you have it, let's create a text. So click on the text icon and create an object on your video, and let's write it ocean. Now when we have the ocean here, let's change the position of our text, like here. Yeah, let's put it like here, and position yep, this is good. And let's put it also on the middle. Okay, so it will move. Now when we have it, what you want to do, go to effects and right here track matte key, and you will have it here, track matte key. Take it and don't paste it on the text, paste it on your video. So we are going to paste it on our video. Okay, and you will have it here, track matte key, matte, none. Choose now the text timeline. So I have it on a video 2 timeline, but if I would have it on a video 3, I would choose video 3. So video 2 timeline, and here we go. And let's play it. Cool, right? This is a really cool effect. So this is how we make it. This is how we make the track matte key. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you again, and goodbye.